हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम केमिस्ट्री का क्लास 12th का फर्स्ट चैप्टर 12th क्लास का सोल्यूशन स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, जिसमें हम पढ़ने वाले हैं सोल्यूशन क्या होता है। सोल्यूशंस आर नथिंग बट होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर्स ऑफ सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट। होमोजीनियस मीन्स यूनिफॉर्म मिक्सचर। सोल्यूट क्या होते हैं? सोल्यूट वो होते हैं जो कम क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट होते हैं सोल्यूशन में। Solution is made up of two components. First component is solute and the second component is solvent. Solute is always present in less quantity. Solvent is always present in excess quantity. Let us move on to next part, that is types of solutions. There are different types of solutions that we are going to study about. First type of solution is solid solutions. Second is liquid solutions. Third one is gaseous solutions. Solid solutions also, they are categorized into three different parts. First part is solid in solid. Solid in solid means both the components are going to be solid. All the examples of this case are going to be alloys, different alloys. For example, brass and bronze. Brass is nothing but it is an alloy of copper and zinc. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Next part, liquid solutions. All the amalgams are going to be included in this. Amalgams means mercury dissolved in any other metal. For example, sodium dissolved in mercury, then that means sodium amalgam will be formed. Any other inert metal such as gold or silver can be also included to make amalgams if they are dissolved in mercury. Okay, so liquid and solid amalgam can come in this. Then let us move on to third part, that is gas and solid. So solid is going to be there in large quantity and gas, and the example could be hydrogen gas adsorbed on the surface of platinum metal or any other inert metal. So this was all about solid solutions. Let us move on to the second part of different types of solutions is liquid solutions. So liquid solutions, solid in liquid, liquid in liquid and gas in liquid. Solid in liquid, the many examples you might be aware of. Any sugar or salt dissolved in water, that will come in solid in liquid. Okay, just because sugar or salt that we are using is used in less quantity and we are dissolving them in water, so water is present as solvent there. Moving on to next part, that is liquid in liquid. This example could be any other reagent which is there in liquid form dissolved in water. For example, ethanol in water or any other liquid chemical dissolving in water, that could come in liquid type of solution. Now moving on to third part, the last part of liquid solutions, gas in liquid. So gas in liquid, the best example is oxygen or any other gas dissolved in water. So we have covered solid solutions, we have covered liquid solutions with their examples, and moving on to third part and the last one, which is gaseous solutions or gas solutions. Okay, so in this part, all the three solutions are going to in all the three solutions, gas is going to be present in large quantity. That is why we have categorized this as gaseous solutions. So first is solid in gas. Solid in gas, the best example could be camphor or any other sublimizable solid in nitrogen gas. So that can form a homogeneous mixture forming gaseous solutions. Next part, that is liquid in gas. Now liquid in gas could be camphor, could be chloroform or any other liquid in gas that can form gaseous solution. The third part, the most easy thing is gas in gas. So best example is air. That is, air is a homogeneous mixtures of all the different gases like nitrogen gas, argon, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide or any other gas. If any two gases are dissolved or you can say that properly mixed, then it forms a gaseous solutions. So this was all about different types of solutions, the first part of our chapter, and later on we'll be discussing the solubilities of different gases in liquid and the solubilities of liquid in liquid, and last part of the chapter is going to be included, the last part of the chapter is going to have we are going to study colligative properties in the end. There are 4 different colligative properties that we'll be studying. So this was all about the first part of the video. Thank you.